Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can share your presentation screen on Zoom. So to do that, you are going to you're not going to click on that, but you are going to click on the share button here, and then you are going to select the window that you want to share or the screen. I'll just select this one to share. And then to stop sharing the screen, you're going to press the stop share button. You can also share your screen in like different formats here. On the right side, you can share it like this so that your face will still be in frame here, like you're teaching in class essentially or doing a meeting. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.